Hello guys, welcome back to Unreal Legend. Today we were supposed to be doing a drone flight here. I've come all the way out here. I was about to take the drone out of my bag, but then after checking my bag I've realised I completely left my controller. So I've come all the way out here without no way to fly my drone. I've charged it fully. I wanted to fly in this nice area. I've come here on my bike. I even bring my lav mic. I bring everything. Somehow I left my controller out of the bag. So I'm gonna probably just explore so this video won't be wasted. So maybe I'll come here another time, but actually bring my controller. Yeah, I think I might just explore it. I wish I could fly it with the Wi-Fi on my phone, but there's no way of doing that, unfortunately. I'm gonna try and make use out of this trip and make a video out of it. It's a really nice scenic ride. Alright, so I've arrived at this location. Thing is, I actually droned down here once, but then somehow I've ended up here. So this is like a hidden gem, so I've actually discovered another drone spot. It's not totally a wasted journey because I was able to discover this area. Really interesting. So this is around Thaden Boys area. It's like an abandoned place, as you can see. If I did have my drone, I'd be flying here now, but it's really nice to explore. I'm going to explore this area for a bit. So it's not totally a wasted journey. Next time I bring my drone controller with me. Abandoned, as you can see. And I even got a 1 kilo sticker that I made. I'm going to place it right over here to mark my location. It's even got an old power socket. I don't know what this is. Looks like a... got that. There's even some wooden pallets over here. Actually insane. Alright, so I get back and of course, what I see the controller just sitting there. I was just about to pack it and I left it right over here. I was unable to do a drone flight today. I did explore the area, so it was an alright little vlog that I created. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. I'm gonna go there again some other day and actually bring my controller this time. This video is basically what to do if you do leave your controller at home or SD card. Because I know a lot of people have left their SD card or battery. Because I left my camera battery when I needed my camera and sometimes SD card as well. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching.